Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Far Family Farm. All right, so this week we got that Arctic blast coming in. Right now it is sleeting, it's spitting snow, and I'm out here getting the animals taken care of early this morning. Just came back from down at the cows, the goats, and the chickens down there. Got them fed, plenty of water added into their troughs. Now our temperatures this week is going to be down in the teens, and maybe some days we'll get past 32, but most days we're going to be under that freeze effect. So it's going to be a long week, making sure everybody's got plenty of water and they stay dry. And all right, we got a bucket, a 3/4 bucket of corn, and it's whole corn. It's not crushed corn or broken corn, it's just whole kernel corn. And as you can see, they're ready for that corn. Everybody's waiting at their doors wanting that corn. So we're just going to give them about a half a scoop. And I don't put it in the feed troughs, I just throw it on the floor. It gives them something to pick at throughout the day. So you see they're just tearing that up. Come on everybody, get out of the way. Same thing for these guys. And then there's Charlie and all his little girls. They seem to be enjoying the cold weather, but I don't, that's for sure. Ain't that right, guys? So the only bad thing is when this weather does get cold, the coops are not insulated enough. That's probably with everybody. We already got eggs out here this morning and we're still below freezing. So every egg that's going to be laid today is a goner. So that's just going to be put on the counter, and we're going to be using those as farm eggs. So everybody's got their corn on this side, so let's go ahead and go to George and Pepper over there. All right, morning George. You guys are ready for that corn, huh? Yep, everybody's ready for that corn. Good old corn, ain't it? Yep. Like I said, throwing it on the floor gives them something to pick at throughout the day. Those guys are waiting on corn too. They have big feeders, so I normally fill up their feeder and then they wait on that corn. I don't know if you guys can see, it's snowing. And here comes Bones. His morning adventure. Hold on. There you go. They think they got something they didn't. Alright, now we're going to head over to that back pen and get them guys taken care of. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get them some pellets in that bucket and make sure they got plenty of food. And I only use a 2.5 gallon. That is a 2.5 gallon bucket, and so I fill that up every time and then go distribute the feed and come back if I need to. All right, so everybody's got their feed done. Now it's time to get that water in and clean out their buckets, because they do have a tendency to step on these buckets and in the buckets, and they make them pretty nasty. So let's get those cleaned up, and then we're gonna head on over to the other pens. Like I said, everybody is patiently waiting. Bones got snow on him, don't you, buddy? Yeah. You guys better get in your coops. Alright, so let's get these guys some corn in them, make them happy for the day, and check their waters. Alright guys, so everybody is done, fed, corn given to them, water, and I'm cold. Like I said, it's only 32 degrees right now. Our high is only 34 or 35, not very warm today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything done out here and call it a day, because the weather is gonna be nastier as the day progresses. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.